for this one. The next one is going to be a Alaska 737. It's kind of shaky when I zoom in further, but the further I zoom out, then it's gonna not look as nice. And the plane is an Embraer 175. The camera is kind of loading still. So yeah. And this plane is a Delta 737-900. I took that plane when I was going to Las Vegas. That was February 13th. I don't know if I told y'all, but okay. I don't need to zoom in that much. That's an amazing plane. Even though it has a lot of crashes, it's still a good plane. Man, that bus, that blue bus, big bag bus, just literally ruined the landing. I couldn't even see this dumb person. Big and fuel efficient plane, the 787-9 Dreamliner. United. Sorry for the cut, I actually did it. I'm trying to be as still as I can. So yeah, that's the end of the videos of the airplane for right now because I gotta go because it's 5:43 p.m. for me. So I'll see y'all guys in the next video, and next time it will probably be another plane video because I'm a person that always likes to post about planes and all of that. I've been posting since a couple of years ago, but so that's gonna be it. Bye, see you next time.